I purchased this standing desk frame and motor over 3 years ago when my business really started to take off and I just began working from home. This is just a filing cabinet under here, by the way. I just want to go through some of the questions I know I had before I purchased it, so hopefully I can help you decide if this is the right product for you. The weight capacity on here is 225 pounds. By the way, thank you. I cleaned off my desk to make this video. It was a disaster. So what I have on here obviously is quite a large monitor, a couple speakers. I have I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have my microphone here, a lamp, and then I have a laptop and all of my supplies. I'm not anywhere close to 225 pounds, but that is the weight limit for the motor. On that note, the motor is extremely easy to program and use. I'm going to show you that up close here in a sec. It does have manual up and down, and it gives you like the height as well. But you can also program 3 different settings. I have one for sitting down at my desk, I have one for standing, and then another one for when I'm on my walking pad because it's just a little bit taller. If I go to number 2, it's gonna go all the way up. You know, so it's not super fast, nice and slow. And I do have a lot of cords and stuff, so make sure that when you are setting up your cords that you give yourself enough space for that. But again, I also like that it has a built-in safety so that if it hits into a filing cabinet, because sometimes that one does get booted over a little bit, it does have a safety feature that it'll stop going down so it won't hurt the motor. Let's talk tabletop size. This is actually an IKEA tabletop, and it is 23.5 inches deep and 79 inches wide, and it fits perfectly on here. And again, I've had this like this for 3 years. This is the one that has like the screw legs that you can buy from IKEA, and it works perfectly. I know it comes in a few different colors at IKEA. This is their black one, but yes, IKEA tabletops work, and it's a really great budget option. And then of course you're going to want to know assembly time, because why wouldn't you want to know assembly time? For us, this took us a little bit longer than it should have, but that's just the reality of any project. I think it takes about an hour, hour and a half. It's been about 3 years. It's not hard, but like any project, you can always, if I had to build another one, we'd be able to do it like that, right? Just a little bit of a learning curve, but really great. I love this so that I can sit at my desk, I can stand at my desk, I can walk on my walking pad at my desk, just with those 3 programs. This is something that I use almost on a daily basis because I do work on Saturdays and Sundays as well. So definitely a yes for me.